Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I will first unbox this VIOFO A139 Three Channel Dashcam front, back and in-cabin camera that comes with an infrared, 6 infrared. Okay, I'll talk about the spec later, and also I will use this HK3C hardware kit to install into my vehicle so that when my car is in parking mode, it will still record. It will still have recording when I park my vehicle. I'll show you how to do the installation. And VIOFO is kind enough to also send me this bracket that's used to secure this micro SD card onto the body. Let's get started.
Let's have a quick look of what's in the box. Now this A139 model comes with two variants, the 2 cameras or the 3 cameras. This is a 3 camera version. Main body comes with 5 buttons. There's no screen, powered by using USB-C connector. Then the coaxial cable. On the right is micro SD card slot, and on the left is actually the built-in microphone. Right? Then underneath it will be the rear camera. This one, yes, the rear camera. And then the interior camera fitted with 6 infrared LED. Then the micro SD card reader and the CPL lens. Right. Then next, these are the coaxial cables and also the USB to USB-C cable if you want to power it using a power bank. Then the user manual and hello card. Now make sure you read this. I spent some time to read in order to install it myself using the prior tool given also in the box. Although support 256 gig of micro SD card, as long as it supports write speed of at least 30 megabytes per second, then it's good enough.
And then the SD card goes into like this. Goes in the side here. So just push it in like this. Okay. Right, it's in there. Right. Then you can use this device to help format the card. And then I'll connect to external power bank to help format the card, and then connect my iPad over there to check where should I locate this front-facing camera. This camera comes with 140-degree wide angle, so I need to find out where is the best position. Okay, now you can see the surface is so oily. So first, I'll clean the surface. You may use isopropyl alcohol or any soap water. With me, I have contact cleaner. Try to remove any oily surface. Okay, it's good to use a light source behind the background so that it helps identify the area with grease. So I need to cut 4.5 cm. Alright, where should I stick my static film? Since this is the center and I have my lens here with the polarized filter here, I intend to place it somewhere near the center, this position. My static film is supposed to be placed somewhere around here. Appear here so that the wire can go up, it doesn't block the wire. USB-C connector that comes in the box. You can connect in either direction, it works. With me here, not included in the box, is actually a power bank. So first thing first is to format the device. Once I connect it, turn on the power, recording.
Infrared lights disabled. Recording. 1 channel started.
Oh, wow, it's very clear. So GPS is acquiring. When it's blinking means it's acquiring.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Okay, long press the Wi-Fi button, and then, okay, then I need to connect to the Wi-Fi to look at where is the best position to mount my in-cabin camera so that I can see the location up to where, and make sure it's not too high up there, the headliner don't block the view, so at least I can see the full range. Whatever vehicle coming from the side, left and right, it can be clearly seen. Then I use a pen to mark the position of where. It comes with a 3M double-sided tape. And also there's one more extra in the box. It comes in the box. I just need to peel it out. And then the right position, make sure it's flat, and push it in. It doesn't really crash with my rear mirror. We have roughly a 5 mm gap. They give us extra in the box. So if you've done anything wrong with this, you still have an extra, or else you need to buy. Okay, I try not to do it touching. Has to be at least 5 mm away. Now, why is that so? Because I can slide to the right, and this is the GPS module. So all I need to do is to press the GPS module against the windscreen, not too hard until you break the windscreen, or firm enough to hold wire, coaxial cable. Hold onto the metal part first until you hear a click sound. I use a pry tool to back underneath this headliner. Okay, just tuck it in. But once you reach the air pillar, please take note if there's no airbag written here, it's alright for you to open it up. If you have an airbag here, then all you need to do is go near this rubber. You just need to pull it out. I mean, use a prier tool to pry open the rubber. It's okay to pull it out. Okay, out the rubber at the door trim, and then okay, just pry open. Go around it. If there's no airbag, you can pry open your right. So I just pull it out the air pillar, provided there are no airbag here. It comes off like this. I've just removed the air pillar because there's no airbag behind there. Then I just need to pull this rubber bush, pull it out, so that I'm able to lay the wire for this power supply, 5 volt, 3 ampere. Push it inwards. The corner here. Now just pull it down a little bit more. Alright, the idea is to lay the cable behind, underneath this door trim. Okay, so I just need to pull it out. Okay, just pull it out like that easily. We just tuck it underneath the headliner. Just push it behind. Nice and tight, easily.
Next, I'm going to stick this rear camera onto a position with maximum field of view, and then remember to remove the film.
Also, the one in cabin with the CPL filter, but provided that there isn't any airbag hidden here. Otherwise, you need to go around the air pillar. Then this one, push it in to place. Make sure the clip is pushed back into position, nice and tight. The power supply cable, USB-C, plug it in and tuck it behind the headliner.
Following will be some video taken during one sunny afternoon by using VIOFO A139, the 3-channel car dash cam. Right, this front-facing camera fitted with Sony IMX335 sensor with 5 megapixel, whereas the rear camera is also fitted with Sony style with sensor, but they are using IMX291 with 2 megapixel. Now the front-facing camera would have a field of view of 140 degrees. I think it's wide enough. If you place it slightly away from the mirror, you can actually get wider than 140 degrees. The same goes with the rear camera, which you'll see later. The rear camera would have 160 degree field of view. Okay. Now, earlier I was a bit worried if it is possible to work in Malaysia because it's relatively very hot. The operation temperature is 65 degrees Celsius and storage temperature should be up to 70 degrees Celsius according to the specification given. Now, it has a built-in supercapacitor. It does not use the lithium-ion battery, so that you don't need to worry. The battery will not be discharged so easily. That's why they're using a supercapacitor instead of a lithium-ion battery. Besides that, it also have this CPL filter fitted in the front camera that helps filter off the glaring caused by reflection from the dashboard. However, the rear camera does not fit with a CPL filter, therefore you can see a reflection on the window. The G sensor comes with the option of low, middle and high. Now, I would personally advise you to set to middle instead of high, because otherwise, whenever my vehicle go to the hump, the computer will lock the file and then the system will not be able to unlock it. You need to delete it yourself, or else you do not have enough disk space. I'm using a 64 gig of disk space given by VIOFO. I would like to say thank you to VIOFO Shenzhen, China. They sent me this product for review. and also SD card. But if you were buying one, I would personally advise to get the 256 GB. That's the maximum capacity that it actually supports, so that your video can at least last for 3 days. Or alternatively, maybe you can reduce the bit rate of your video to maybe normal or just high, because I'm using maximum bit rate for this 64 gig of micro SD card and lasts only 1 day. Then parking mode, it's not available unless I install the hardwire kit, which I will do it in my next video. I'll show you how to do it, how to install a hardwire kit easily. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button 2 times so that you get notified of my new video. And I appreciate a thumbs up. But it is not over yet, because I've yet to show you the interior camera. Let's look at it.
Alright, so I've temporarily disabled the infrared LED so you can see color. This is a condition of how it looks like. The busy streets can be seen surrounding me. Whether you should get a 2-channel or a 3-channel, it depends on you. So make sure you choose the correct version of A139 that you want to buy online, or maybe you can get from their official website. I'm lucky enough where VIOFO China sent this 3-channel for me to review, to show you how to do installation in local car and show my audience of how does it look like. Okay? Whether you should get a 2-channel or 3-channel really depends on what you want to look at. Myself, I think this 3-channel version is really good. I like it a lot because I can see what's surrounding. Whatever coming at the side. You need to change the exposure rate. I've actually increased the exposure rate for this interior camera by 0.3 plus 0.3 EV. If this is first time watching video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you get notified of a new video, and please thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.